Well boys, what have I been at the last little while? I've got a lot of stuff on the go. I've been pretty busy doing things. There on Sunday at a metal detecting event, Swashbuckler Silver treasure hunt. That went off perfect. And now I've been working on a few radios actually. A couple that was given to me, donated to me. This feller here, which I'm working on. That feller there that I'm working on. I got a power supply there that was given to me to work on. I still haven't looked at the Johnson Messenger since I done the last video. I got a power supply here kit or something that was given to me. I've got another little project here to work on for another friend. So yeah, I've got a lot of things, lot of stuff on the go. And this is one I'm currently working on. Is a receiver. Some of you may actually recognize it already. It's the Yaesu FRG-100 HF receiver, and it appears to work okay, other than it has no sound at all out of the internal speaker. Speaker's good, wires are good, jumper's fine, blah blah blah. But I've had my scope out last couple of days, doing a little bit of diagnostic work here, trying to figure out what's going on. So basically, long story short, what we've got going on here, we've got an audio amplifier that's down there in that far left hand corner, right there, TDA 2003. The audio amplifier itself is working. There's audio going into it, which is working. It's amplifying audio, which is also working, but it's not getting from the audio amplifier across this here wire, which goes to the audio jack and then back out to the speaker. So I've been chasing the wiring, the circuit for the audio, and so far what I've got it traced down to with the scope, the audio has ceased to exist past the headphone jack here. I put a pair of headphones in the front of this thing and it kind of wants to work. I get audio out of it if I kind of wiggle the jack, so I think the jack itself is completely foobar. I checked the wiring, the audio going into this board. There's audio there, there's nothing going out of it. So yeah, because it's supposed to come out of here and jump back, go down to the board, blah blah blah, go through whatever it goes through until it gets back to the speaker. So there's audio into this headphone jack, but there's nothing coming out of it. So this jack here is shot. So hopefully I've got one. But in order to get at that, unfortunately I got to strip the whole front off of this radio. And yeah, it's not gonna be fun. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So basically right here you have a plug, and the color code is orange gray. So what's actually going on here is that the audio is going to the headphone jack here, but the headphone jack is messed up. I just had a look at it. I don't have one at the moment, one like it. So what you can temporarily do if your headphone jack is messed up, these two brown wires, all you have to do is unplug that or plug it in, whatever, and the first two pins on this side, this one and this one, all you have to do is jump the first two pins. So I'll turn the volume up. You can you jump these two first pins right here. You'll get audio. So, if anybody else out there has a Yaesu FRG-100 and you've lost audio, chances are your headphone jack is messed up and needs to be replaced. So, what I'm going to do is I haven't got that headphone jack at all, so I'm just going to plug that in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the two brown wires here, splice two of them together, and call it a day. And then later on, when I manage to get the proper headphone jack, then I can fix up the wiring again after, replace it, and there you go. Anyways, okay, so I got the wire cut. I got these just heat shrunk back out of the way, so they're not going to cause any problems. And this one here I have soldered and also heat shrunk together here. So as you can see, the two brown wires, that's all you got to jump. And you'll have audio once again. Cool.
Me dijo que en Nayarit estaban aplicando eso ahora. Aquí no sé cómo estará la cosa hoy. Hoy no sé nada. Hace falta antiinflamatorio, hace falta aspirina. ¿Y dónde hay?
Yep. Para la situación que está pasando aquí, era 3.375, creo que estoy buscando la información. The Society to Protect the Emergency Frequency 3750 kilohertz, 7150 kilohertz, and 14330 kilohertz. Lo voy a decir en español ahora. El señor Kim Robert, Hotel Hotel 2 Julia Radio, presidente del Radio Club Haití, dice que ha tenido muchos daños culturales, muchos fallecidos y demás, y le está pidiendo a la Yaru, a los miembros de la sociedad, a proteger o a mantener libres la frecuencia 3.750, 7.150 y 14.330 respectivamente. Pero tenemos un problema
gobierno de Cuba tiene una señal de interferencia en 7157 con 15 kilovatios de potencia. Obviamente en 7150 los señores de aquí no pueden establecer comunicación de emergencia con nadie porque el gobierno de Cuba desde el 11 de julio de 2021 tiene varias señales de interferencia ilegal en la banda de radioaficionados. Y entonces don't worry about it. It's nothing to get worried about. So let me swing you up to Nova Scotia again. Martin. Yeah, Dave. I don't think I'm making daily pace, but I will try 7 o'clock. I can hear you just go your more because I had it moved down, but then I got all